Hi everyone, I'm Anna Ng from Client Centric Property. Being an agent is not just about doing real estate, but we also have to be equipped with the skills and knowledge on how to do conversions of our assets online because now everyone has gone online. So I just want to share on this part that how I managed to pinch out my videos from Facebook Live, from others or from myself and keep it under my own hard drive or my disk. Okay, because previously I've gone through a few sessions online to learn from others on how to convert that by using the MBasic way. But today this is something different, so I'm gonna show it right now to you. Okay, because I realized that Facebook has changed its algorithm, so something has evolved. Okay, so let's go. Right, so now you can see my screen on my Facebook. So recently I did a video with someone, but you see this is not under my own live video. This was under somebody else. So what do I do? So I click on this and I managed to find that look at the very top, the URL link is right on top. I want to pinch this video from somebody else. So I'm going to right click on that, copy. Then I open up another tab of my computer. I'm going to paste it in. Okay, so if I were to follow the old ways of replacing the triple W with MBasic, you see what happens. Right, you see, this is not the video that I wanted, right? This is not the video. So what do? I click one more time, the same thing, right? And then I'm going to paste it here under the little blue color address bar, right? Okay, so I'm going to do one more time because previously I was able to do it. So let's see what happens. Right, now you can't, you see that it's at a stuck area. It's not moving anywhere. But you know what you can do? We don't give up here. So go down to this bottom here where you see my cursor is pointing. Go under this place where you have to get it from the original person who posted it. So this is the person who did the interview with me, Jasmine. So I'm going to click in. Okay, so I search. Okay, so it's very sensitive. Have to place the same spelling, alphabets, everything in the same manner, and then you click on her again. You go right into her profile this time. Right into her profile this time. We scroll down to look for the video. Right, this is the one that I wanted to see, Anna Ng. So this is the one that I wanted to pinch from. So what do I do? So what I do? Previously there was a button for me to save it right away, but this one doesn't. So if I right click it, I couldn't save it even. If you notice, you see I right click on the black screen, it doesn't. So what I do right now, I double click on this black screen and it brings me to this part right here. If you were to see it right here, this is the mobile format, okay, of that video that I can pinch already. So I right click and then I'm able to save the video as. Right, can you see my, right, hang on. Can you see this thing? I'm able to actually save it right here. Okay, so sorry for the interruption of the sounds from the video just now, okay? But anyway, I'm able to save it right there and then already. So I just want to tell you that this is good for people who wants to repurpose videos. You know, sometimes you go for certain interviews or certain events, but unfortunately, no one can give you a copy of it. You might want to keep it for yourself as a record to track yourself, you know, repurpose later into your YouTube or whatsoever. So this is how it's done right now. And today's date is 27. No, sorry. Today's date is 26th of November, 26th November 2020. This is the latest, how we are going to pinch it. So, okay. So this is how I managed to pinch it and repurpose it for my own usage. And I hope this video is useful and valuable to you. Leave me a comment and then stay connected. Okay, bye. Oh, remember to subscribe and like. Thank you.